In this video, I will be talking about this crazy move that is about to be happening on Bitcoin, because this pattern that right now is unfolding on the Bitcoin price action will be having a gigantic influence about where Bitcoin is heading towards next. And to be very honest, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I will be going over the most important charts in crypto right now here. I will be talking about the exact breakout we've been predicting perfectly and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Yesterday, once again, we smashed it back above 500 likes. Can we do it again on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So without any further ado, let's jump straight away in towards the content. And let me first of all talk about that 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin, because after we've seen that significant pump towards the upside, we basically officially broke above the two previous main highs on the market, what is currently confirming that Bitcoin is of course in an uptrend right now, after we officially confirmed a higher high on that 1 hour time frame right now. So this is definitely looking very good for Bitcoin, and to be very honest, this is also suggesting that Bitcoin is probably going to see more upside from this point onwards. I am very aware that if I zoom out on that 1 hour time frame, and if I will be looking at this main level of resistance, we are currently approaching my main level of resistance, what is basically this major previous resistance target right here. We got rejected by it as well once we had that significant drop towards the downside. We got rejected by it here mid-September, and once again we're approaching this level. So I am very aware that this is the main level for Bitcoin to be breaking above right now. And of course, if we do confirm the break above this range as well right here, I do also think it is likely that we're going to be seeing a break above this range. But more importantly, if we also do confirm the break above this range, I personally think that a $22,000 Bitcoin is absolutely going to be inevitable. And talking about Bitcoin on these higher levels, we have been exactly predicting this volatile move on the market. We've been talking about how Bitcoin, of course, squeezed the price action in from this downward sloping resist line with this upper sloping support line towards that apex. And exactly on the point, if you did long Bitcoin, like I told everyone, I will be longing or shorting the market depending where we're breaking towards. And like you can see, we broke bullish, and this was straight away a 6% move in just a matter of 32 hours. So this is of course a very fast move for Bitcoin, and this is of course extremely good for the ones that absolutely open the trade over here. Also, what we can currently spot here is that Bitcoin, if we do set up that horizontal line right here, you can currently see Bitcoin also confirmed the higher high here on the 4-hourly candle close, what is also indicating that Bitcoin is currently gaining a previous level, what means that the likelihood of a continuation of this trend is definitely going to be very big. And what I also talked about is my price target of this exact breakout right here. And if we're going to be looking at my price target, I will be still aiming for that level around $21,000, what also once again comes down towards this very important key level of previous support in the market. So still, I do expect we are heading towards $21,000 for Bitcoin, and that is my price target of this symmetrical triangle right here. And I do also expect that this level is going to probably get reached in the coming days ahead of ourselves. And actually, if you do not want to be missing out on any trading opportunities at all, don't forget to check out Bybit in the link in the description, because on Bybit you can also claim a free $1,000 long or short position right now if you do sign up a new account using the highest link in the description right now and deposit $1,000. So make sure to check this out as soon as possible, because this is definitely a very valuable deposit bonus that is currently still available on Bybit. And do note, there's only 12% left in supply, and yeah, once it's gone, it's gone. So make sure to be quick, supply is running out anytime soon. Furthermore, talking about Bitcoin on that daily candle, like I told you yesterday, if Bitcoin breaks above that $20,000 with a daily candle close, we will be officially confirming a breakout of a trend that has been basically rejecting Bitcoin for over 325 days. So you can currently see here, Bitcoin created a significant downtrend here from the high to low, and this was a downtrend that lasted approximately for 327 days. However, right now we officially broke above the downtrend, and right now confirming Bitcoin is absolutely flipping bullish on the daily time frame. So this is of course a very good development. I am very much aware that Bitcoin currently is still forming lower highs on the daily candle. So if we're going to be looking to a full technical perspective on the daily time frame, did Bitcoin officially flip bullish? No, I don't think so. However, we did clearly broke above a 300-day plus downtrend, what is of course going to be having very bullish consequences, and even as well above this other downtrend that you can see that is from the high right here, right? So also another very important level to look at right now here is this next line right here that we're about to be approaching. Why? Is because this level also basically got this rejected several times in a row in the past as well. So this is also definitely a level to be looking out for, and we will be approaching this level anytime soon. And if we also do break above this level, we basically cleared the majority of the resistance for Bitcoin, and then definitely we could be in for that larger time frame bounce for Bitcoin. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now if you want to be staying up to date exactly once we do break above these other trend lines as well here. Furthermore, once looking at Bitcoin, I personally think that currently we are having a gigantic opportunity in this market. There is an enormous opportunity in the cryptocurrency industry right now here, and I don't know how long this opportunity will last. And honestly, I don't really see these opportunities occur that often, because once looking at Bitcoin, we can first of all see the RSI is significantly climbing towards the upside, while in fact the price action has been coming down and has been forming a lower low on the price action right here. So this is of course a bullish divergence on the 3-day time frame, but together with that, we're forming one of the most typical bullish bias reversal patterns that you can absolutely wish for, called a falling wedge. And the accuracy rate of a falling wedge is about the 80% breakouts towards the upside. So the chance right now that Bitcoin is going to be breaking bullish is very high, especially since we're also seeing a bullish divergence happening in that falling wedge. The chance and the odds that Bitcoin is going to be breaking bullish and see upside from here on is just significantly high. And if we're going to be looking at the price target of this 3-day falling wedge on Bitcoin, it is going to be all the way back up towards 31,000 US dollars. What is going to be a crazy whopping price target of 56% towards the upside. So yeah, make sure to get ready for these crazy moves, because honestly, yeah, of course, so far we've not broken the downtrend here, what we need to be breaking in order to flip bullish. And like you can see, we did clearly got rejected not only once, not only twice, not only 3 times, not only 4 times in a row, but we're currently testing it for the 5th time already. So this is definitely a very important level to be looking at here. But if we do break above it, I honestly think Bitcoin is going to see significant upside, and that could be the kickstart of this next big rally. And honestly, if we do look at the market, Bitcoin is holding up just fine towards $90,000 so far here. So as long as we're going to hold up towards that, that's going to be amazing. So definitely keep your eyes wide open. But this is an opportunity. It is very rare, and I would definitely call this an opportunity of a lifetime. So for me, my strategy remains to be the same. On the weekly time frame currently, we are seeing a bullish divergence. And like I basically have said every single day in this whole phase right here, what was my strategy? I talk about it every single day. My strategy right now as well, it doesn't change up at all, even though we saw a small little pump. I am still dollar cost averaging in towards the market, because I want to be getting in on a fair valuation for the Bitcoin price action right now. And honestly, I do think that buying Bitcoin below $22,000, even below $30,000, I think it's a very fair valuation. And I currently also think Bitcoin is undervalued. So my strategy right now here is to dollar cost average in towards the market. I buy every single day a portion of Bitcoin, and due to that, I will have a very good average price. I maybe not exactly bought the bottom with all my capital, but I did have a very good average price. So make sure to make a strategy for yourself. My strategy is dollar cost average in towards the market to get a good average price, because I think Bitcoin is undervalued right now. And I do think, and I do believe that Bitcoin is going to go up with time. And due to that, I buy more Bitcoin every single day, because I believe in Bitcoin in the long run. So make sure that you've got yourself covered with a strategy as well. But anyways, this was it for today's update video. If you did enjoy it, smash up that like button. Of course, consider subscribing to the channel if you are just as excited as me, and especially looking at this falling wedge. Things are looking great for Bitcoin. Then also, if you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video popping up above. If you want to learn how to make passive income using a cryptocurrency trading bot, check out the other video popping up above right now. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.